Hey there, Andrew from Simply Canuck Farming here. Wanted to talk about Japanese beetles today. Stay tuned. These are the Japanese beetles, and you can see the damage they do to the leaves. This is a grapevine, fairly mature grapevine. We were actually considering pulling it out this year. We only got 10 bunches of grapes early on, but almost every leaf has these things on them. You can see them, and they fly. Of course they do, and there they are mating. Perfect. These things consistently all over the place. Like pretty much every leaf you're going to see one. They destroy crops. Absolutely destroy them. You can see they're chewing and mating. That's their life right there. Chewing on the leaves and mating with each other. What we've done is we've been killing them, picking them off, because that's really the only way to do it, and then putting them in a container down there. When they die, full of soapy water, they give off a pheromone that smells like death. Now there's so many of these, we have to kind of mass kill these things, really just go through. However, they will do damage to other crops. I did notice them on our apple tree as well, and I found some on our roses, which means they're making their way over to those. Two big crops that they love are roses and grapes. So if you see these little guys right here, you need to get rid of them as quickly as possible. Yeah. Things that you can use to prevent this from happening is you can use some neem oil. Spray your plants down with neem oil. If it rains, you're going to have to spray it down again. But basically, the most effective ways are to pick them off manually, kill them, and stick them in a solution of like soapy water or a little bit of vinegar and water. Soapy water, generally use the blue Dawn soap for that. And then they can't fly away. That's when they can't get anywhere. That's the idea. Picking them off and using neem oil. So preventative measures would be neem oil. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get enough neem oil this year, and our grapes weren't our priority crop this year. So, but they are becoming a priority to deal with these. So I hope this helped everybody. Hope you learned something about these little beetles here, because they are absolutely a pest. Especially here, we're in eastern Canada, in zone 5B. So hopefully you'll learn something that you'll be able to apply to your own garden. Let me know what you guys are doing to deal with these little critters, because you can see that they are all over the place. Pretty much every leaf has one of these on it. Right? So, alright, thanks for watching. Remember, grow and learn.